Hi, I was supposed to vlog today, but I absolutely did not. So I'm just gonna do a 2-day thing instead of a 1-day. And hopefully that will suffice. Also, it's windy as hell in Boston today, but this is the U campus right now. Again, it is windy as hell. It is 24 degrees Fahrenheit, about like -2, -3 Celsius. My hands are freezing. That is Suvi. I was supposed to wake up at 7 today to finish an essay, but I ended up waking at 12. And I finished it, so yay. I have a few favorite study spots that hopefully I'll be able to show you guys. Hopefully you can hear me too. That hopefully I'll be able to show you guys over the course of these 2 first days in Boston. But the first one is York Street Cafe. And if any Boston University student is watching this, please do not make all of the seats speak up because you have now found a new spot. Because that is incorrect and immoral. It's probably not, but like, please don't. I'm here, but I have class in 2 minutes, so we're gonna do that now.
Ryan Little.
Yoga.
I guess I can talk a little about my global documentary class because I actually really like it. It's a writing class, but like it's based around watching documentaries and writing about them, which is pretty interesting to me. If any of you ever come to BU or want to or are here, I definitely recommend taking, we have to take 2 writing classes mandatorily, I think, at least in CAS or whatever. I think it's mandatory. But definitely take ones that you're genuinely interested in. I'm very interested in learning about the world and global literature, etc. So my first writing class I took was literally global literature, and this one I'm taking is global documentary. I hope you can hear me. There's a lot of background noise. So this is my assignment for like next Thursday. This is what we did in class today. Was we had a peer review of my research proposals. Also, huge shout out to Ayse for reminding me to vlog. I think Aquaphor should sponsor me. Well, I'm done with my work, but I'm super hungry, and the dining hall has closed and doesn't open until 5, and that's the story of my life because it always closes as soon as I get hungry. Okay, I feel super awkward vlogging, but I'm at T. Anthony's eating a salad now. Also, I'm about to go kickboxing. Turn around. I'm just trying to vlog in peace, really. But yeah, that's what's happening. Yeah. Kickboxing, it's gonna be like 45 minutes long, maybe 60. I'm not really sure where this is going. It's gonna be a little tough. This is my first time doing anything like that, and I might be tired afterwards. Very tired. I'm here, but I'm not comfortable vlogging because someone always wants to watch me. So we're wrapped. So we're done. That's about it. I'm sweating. It was good. I'll talk more later. Okay, I'm just washing my face now because I sweat a lot. This was the fit. I don't know if I should show much of my room. I mean, it's literally just a box, so like, here it is, I suppose. This is a view of my dorm room. It is so cold outside. I opened the window so that there's no glare, like there is here. That's T. Anthony's. It has the best grilled chicken salad. I highly recommend it. I'm quite dead right now. I wish I could have shown a little more of my day. However, I woke up at like 12 when I meant to wake up at 7, you know, college life. I'm gonna try doing a little more like routine-ish day tomorrow. But yeah, kickboxing was super fun. I highly recommend it if you're in the Boston area and you want to try out kickboxing, because that's something I've always wanted to do. Anything that's hard the first time I know is going to be fun once I get into the swing of things. So I hope to do this more. Maybe in subsequent vlogs, if I do more, I can show you a little bit more today. But I was too nervous to like do anything, so I was just paying attention to the instructor and him not making any sense to me. But yeah. Okay, so update. Ayse and I have gotten bubble tea. This is Ayse, say hi.
Hello.
I'm editing my essay that's due at midnight, and I'm getting my word count done. So that's what we're doing. My communications class has me in the word count range of 625 to 675, and if it's under or over, I get docked like a letter grade. So this is 666 today. Alrighty, hello. It's like almost 11:30. We've watched 2 episodes of Euphoria. And
Really recommend it. It's absolutely amazing.
I don't recommend
Every
it.
single episode.
If you're under the age of 18, literally. Stay for Zendaya, but please don't stay for anything else.
Yeah, really.
We're watching Tom and Jerry.
We're watching Tom and Jerry,
Yeah.
and it's going great.
It's
We're 50 minutes in. There's 50 minutes left.
yeah. Such an awful movie. Like, the acting is so bad. Like, it's so bad. Look. This is the snacks that are now sitting there. And there's snacks here.
We had bubble tea too.
Yeah, we had bubble tea. Oh my god, I need to have mine. So Ayse left and I passed out. But now it's 2 a.m. and okay, I'm super tired. So I'm just gonna pick this up tomorrow. Good night, everyone. This is the night vibes. I can't move my arm. I wish I could sleep for like 15 more hours, but alas, I must get up in another 10 minutes. I only have about like 5 more minutes of getting ready because I'm supposed to meet a friend for breakfast. My hands are clean. If you don't like seeing people touch eyes, I'm sorry. Can you tell I'm tired? As always, Aquaphor. To anyone who's still using Vaseline and not using Aquaphor, I think you should consider making the switch because Vaseline comes off in like 3 seconds and Aquaphor stays on for like your whole life. I promise. So let me know if you try Aquaphor and then thank me later. This is the fit today because I have 0 time. If you don't like it, I'll cry. I am now going to study at the law building, and so I'm walking on Commonwealth Avenue as of right now. So I'm walking on Commonwealth right now. That's about it. It's a really pretty day in Boston, so I'm glad that I'm vlogging today because the skies are absolutely blue and it's not that cold. This is the city. Okay, so I made it to the law building. This is the view. And this is the room. Ayse has arrived. Okay, it's now lunchtime, and all I've done since morning is edit this vlog. I'm sitting there. My class begins at 2:30, so I'll actually be doing something more productive with my day. But I tried this new Starbucks drink. I customized it a ton, but I highly recommend this. Everyone's very busy at work. I'm now in my international relations lectures, sitting by the window.
But it's now built a whole new complex in
Say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog.
Hello.
Okay, good. Okay, so that's all this vlog had. It is currently June right now, and I filmed, what is the correct word? Edited, took something. I did this vlog in February, but I absolutely love it because I think it just conveyed my memories of doing my first winter in college in Boston and also during COVID. But as you can see, I had a great time, and I am beyond thankful for everyone that I've met and for me to be able to like make this, because it's actually something that I can look back at and, you know, like actually really like. I mean, it's only been 4 months, and this entire vlog made me so happy, and I just lived this. So if you like this video, let me know. I don't really care if you didn't like it because I absolutely loved it. But thank you so much if you watched this far. I hope this was something enjoyable, because I know a lot of people have been actually wanting me to put a Boston vlog out there. Subscribe, because I genuinely want to make more. Okay, bye.